Hello, my name is Francis Ian Reyes Talusing. I am 20 years old. I live in Tugatog, May Kabayan, Bulacan. And my parent is Ronel and Cherry Talusing. My sister is Janice Talusing. I choose to be happy because I know in my life I can do a lot of things and I can achieve a lot of things. I can go somewhere traveling and to travel the world. We can be happy because we know for ourselves we are content and we know our emotions. We know that we can solve our problems without needing the help of others. That's it. Thank you. To me, what is being happy? To me, being happy is providing love and support to our family and joining wherever they want to be, joining how they want to spend time with you and giving others time and support and care. And people will always give you bad things, but you will decide to conquer them. You can be happy by doing what you want in life, not letting others let you down, and thinking most of yourself and others, not in material things.